Good morning, my dear students. This is Miss Summer speaking from Province School. And today we will be talking about conditional sentences type 1. This is unit 4 in the grammar booklet. You can find it in page 21, okay? So let's start our lesson today. But first of all, I would like to have a quick revision on the zero conditional in unit 3 that we took in unit 3 here. So when we talked about zero conditional, we said that we can use the zero conditional to talk about scientific facts or general truth. So, and we agreed on that I can form it if clause in the present simple and the main clause is in the present simple as well. Let's have an example about it here. So when I say, if water reaches 100 degrees, it always boils. This is a scientific fact. Okay, so if clause here, water reaches 100 degrees, and this is present simple, and the result of the action here is in the present simple as well. So I say it always boils. So the two clauses here are in the present simple. This is the zero conditional, and this is the form of the zero conditional. Can I put the result first? Yes, of course. I can say water always boils if it reaches 100 degrees. But as I explained before, that if you put if at the beginning, you should put here comma before the main clause. And if you put it in the middle, there is no need to put a comma in the middle. And we're going to have some examples about it now. So let's have some examples here. When I say, if people eat too much, they get fat. So this is present simple. People eat too much. And the result is in the present simple as well. They get fat. I can say also, people get fat if they eat too much. Okay? If you touch a fire, you get burned. This is general truth. Okay? So this is present simple. You touch a fire. And this is present simple as well. You get burned. Okay? Why is it zero conditional here? Because it's a general truth, okay? People die, I put here the result at the beginning, okay? So people die if they don't eat. And look, when I put the result in the beginning, I didn't put comma in the middle here because I put if and it's clause in the middle. So there is no need to put a comma here. So if babies are hungry, they cry. So present simple and present simple as well. I can also say babies cry if they are hungry. You got it? This is the zero conditional. So our lesson today will be talking about the first conditional. You can find it in page 21 in the grammar booklet as I mentioned earlier here. So how can I form the first conditional? The first conditional, if plus present simple, and the main clause is future will plus verb infinitive. Okay, why should I use the first conditional? As we talked earlier about the zero conditional, we said that we can use the zero conditional to talk about scientific facts or general truth. What about the first conditional? Let's read some examples here. So example number 1, when I say, if I have enough money, I will buy some new shoes. If you help me, I'll help you. If you tell us the truth, we will forgive you. The examples here are written to express possibility. What's the meaning of possibility here? This is something that is possible to happen in the future. When I say, if I have enough money in the future, I will buy some new shoes. So if clause here, present simple, I have enough money. This is present simple. And what about the main clause? Future will. I will buy some new shoes. If you help me, I will help you. Okay? So present simple, future will. If you tell us the truth, we will forgive you. Okay? So can I put the result first or the main clause first? Of course, I can say, I will buy some new shoes if I have enough money. Okay? So to express future possibilities, you can use the first conditional. I can also say, for example, if I study hard, I will pass the test. It's possible to happen in the future. If I pass the test, the teacher will bring me a present, for example, okay? That's the first conditional. And the last thing that we will be talking about in the PowerPoint here is unless. Well, actually, you have to know that unless equals if not. What does it mean? If I say here, you will be sick if you don't stop eating. So I put the result first, and then if clause, okay? So in order to replace unless with if, so you should cross two things here. You should cross if and don't. So I say, unless you stop eating, you will be sick. So unless equals if not. For example, when I say, if I don't study hard, I will not pass the test. So if I want to replace if with unless here, I can say, unless I study hard, I won't pass the test. Okay? That's unless.